to leave your disc on.
Yeah, I know. I'll just have a look on the video. See where we're at, see what I see.
Now look at shit dropping now.
I know. Right. So I don't want that any tension going on that brake line. So it might be worth doing what mate said. Get a bungee out the van. I can bungee it around my spring then and it'll hold. It's a good idea. There we go. That's that bit done.
Right.
Left with them. Just thought I'd change them anyway. About to say, look at that. Look at the corrosion on that. Another 10,000 miles at least. But just for the MOT, I'm changing it anyway. Do you know what I mean? It's all a scam. There's nothing wrong with these. Look at that. Here in a minute. It's not good, or drinking any of it, it's not good for you.
You should know, we're being a mechanic.
Why is it brown? I thought copper was fucking orange.
You should know, you're a mechanic.
I know.
That finger action.
I know. Now.
True mechanic.
I don't fuck about. Slip, baby. Just any contact points really. I don't know if you've got to do them on the have a breather for a sec. It's like you've been framed, isn't it? I think people say don't use a lot of grease, but can't hurt, can it?
Nope.
Proper stuff as well. Not just copper slip that is going to fuck my rubbers up. Lovely. Right.
Sick.
Look at that, that looks fucking banging. Right, I think I'm happy with that.